Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin Surai. Today I am going to make a masala which is used for chas. Now the summer season is on, so everyone will be wanting to drink something cold always, and chas is a good summer drink. So let us see how to make the masala for that. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon black pepper, few curry leaves, around 1 teaspoon, you can say, 1 tablespoon dried mint leaves, half tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoon black salt, quarter teaspoon hing powder, 1 tablespoon sauf, that is fennel seeds. See, the mint leaves I have dried and kept it in fridge. You have to separate the leaves, wash and dry it, and put it in a plate and keep it aside for 2-3 days. Forget it. It will get dried up like this, and you can use this for many dishes. I used to put it for parathas and all, and while making chas I used to just crush and put it. Now today I am going to make gobi paratha, so I will be using some leaves for that also. Now curry leaves. Curry leaves also, after washing, you just keep it in a plate like this. It will get dried up. So this is the dried curry leaves. This is also very useful. Now we will dry roast all these ingredients. The fennel seeds, black pepper, cumin seeds, and of course curry leaves and mint leaves also will put it at the last. The pan is hot here. Don't shade the color, just roast it till the aroma comes, that's all. You should be able to make powder out of it. That much crispiness it should have. We'll put the mint leaves and the curry leaves also. Now switch off the flame because the pan is hot, so it will get roasted fully. Just keep on stirring. At this stage, add the hing powder, the salt, and the normal salt. Cool down and transfer it into a mixer jar and powder it. See, the leaves are crisp, and see, it is becoming powder. Now this is cooled down. We'll grind this to a powder. The chas masala is ready here. Now we'll prepare the chas. I've taken 3 tablespoons of curd, whisked and kept it here. Now we'll add this water. You use chilled water for preparing the chas, or prepare the chas in normal water and keep it in the fridge for cooling it and then serve. Or you can put ice cube and serve it. Now this is done. We'll add some chaas masala in it. Mix well. Add some chopped coriander leaves. If you want, you can add a pinch of sund powder also in this. That is optional. Check for the salt. Yeah, sufficient salt is there. If you want more, you can add. You can add some chopped fresh pudina leaves also. And some people add lime juice while serving. That also you can do it. Now just garnish with the pudina leaves, or you can chop the pudina leaves and put it in the chaas. So our chaas is ready. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye. If you wish, you can add crushed ginger and green chili also in this.